Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to transform, can create new file, and example I will draw rectangle. We can set the color like into red color, and if you want to transform this objects layer, you can go to the edit menu, click transform. Now you can choose here, like you can scale the objects, click OK to apply, or another we can use the rotation tools to rotate the object. Okay, another option, transforms, you can create skew, so you can click here to skew the object, and another option in the transform tools. Okay, that's it for basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to transform.